Stop digging through your freezer for empty ice trays and get your kitchen back to automatic in under 30 minutes. Welcome back. If you're tired of lukewarm drinks and that annoying clicking sound coming from your fridge, the WR30X10093/WR30X10061 Ice Maker Kit is the ultimate DIY hero part for 2026. This isn't just a basic replacement. It is a high-efficiency 160W power cycle unit. The standout feature for 2026 is its universal 6-cup compatibility, specifically engineered to restore automatic ice production to a massive range of GE, Hotpoint, and Kenmore refrigerators. Whether your old unit stopped ejecting cubes or the heating element died, this 115V kit replaces a long list of legacy parts, including the WR30X10014 and WR30X10012, bringing faster freeze times and more consistent cube sizes than the original factory models. What makes this kit a 2026 home maintenance favorite is the complete installation package. It's a true plug-and-play solution that includes the wiring harness, the shutoff arm, and all necessary mounting hardware. You don't need a professional plumber or a master electrician. If you can use a nut driver, you can save yourself a $200 service call. It's the most cost-effective way to ensure your family has a constant supply of fresh, clear ice for the summer heat. Click the link below for the best price and fix your fridge today. If this breakdown helped you save a few $100 on a repair, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the home hacks that actually work. See you in the next one.